we have 3 squared minus 4 squared, and inside 8 divided by 4. So 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? And 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16, right? So 9 minus 16, right? So 8 divided by 4. Now 9 minus 16 equals minus 6, and 8 divided by 4. Minus 6 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now here is multiply. So minus 6 times 2 equals minus 12. But this is wrong. Why? Because parentheses must be done before exponents and subtraction and multiplication. Here is multiply, a hidden multiply. So first of all, parentheses first, right? So 8 divided by 4 equals 2, right? And 4 squared and minus 3 squared. Now exponent first, right? So 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, minus 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16, and 2. Now multiplication must be done before subtraction, so multiply first. 16 times 2 equals 32, and 9. So 9 minus 32 equals minus 23.